Hello my dear friends, my name is Atul Galod and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 36 of our self-talk journey and I started this journey just because I wanted to improve my English communication skills and I am working on it, you can see. Alright, so let's start our video with affirmation. I want to earn a lots of money in my life as a profession. I want to be pharmacovigilance professional and I want to travel all around the world. This is my dream. Okay, so this is our affirmation and I do this affirmation regularly just to let my subconscious mind know that yes, this thing I want in my life. So let's start our video. So in my self-talk journey, I often talk about whatever I think and whatever comes in my mind. I just express my thought in front of a camera, and that's how I communicate with myself. I communicate in front of a camera. I see you peoples in my imaginations, like so many peoples are standing in front of me. It is my imaginary world, and I am speaking with them. It also feels like I'm providing the presentation and I'm talking with someone unknown on a video call, or it's like I'm attending a Zoom meeting as well. All right, because many of the interview, if you would give interview, so it would be like you have to speak sometimes in front of a camera and provide the introduction to them, and that's where I had lacked the things in my past and I got rejected from that company, and that was very embarrassing moment for me, but I am preparing right now, and I would not let this thing happen in my life again, because I learned from my past and I improving in my present, and I would become better, okay, better one day if I do that practice like this. Like before starting this journey, I was feeling so anxious about speaking in a front of a camera. I was feeling like what would people say, but people are saying nothing. People are very good, and these days I am watching myself, and I am thinking like I have stuck somewhere, and to come out from that situation, I started learning some new phrases as well to connect the sentences, and I identify and highlight my mistake is that whenever I talk about my past, and whenever I tell you any story, so there are, and there might be the chances of errors and the mistake comparatively high in compared to if I talk about the present continuous, present or future. Present tense is okay, and future tense is okay, and passive language is also okay, casual speakings are also okay, but whenever I talk or whenever I tell story, so that part of mine is not that very good, so I'm working on it as well. Like I decided yesterday that I would going to improve that thing, and for that I would speak regularly about my past, whatever, like even if 1 minute 1 minute is also okay, but day by day my brain shift toward that part, and I recover that thing, and after recovering that thing I again try to find out another error and I will fix it. So that this how I learn English, this how I expressing my thoughts, this how I express my feeling and learning English as well, because English is not only my dream. English is like a ladder for me to go to reach towards my dream, because I want to I like communications, I like teaching, I like to do mentorship. Like if my future dream is to become a pharmacovigilance professional, so still my dream is to become the mentor or the teacher in a pharmacovigilance company. All right, so this is my first dream that pharmacovigilance is the part of pharmacy, and I have choose pharmacy to make my career in pharmacy. And in this field, pharmacovigilance is the department that I like the most, and I like to do the work in the in this sector. And in future I would grow more and more, and I don't know how, but yeah, there is no limit. All right, so let's talk about my past for 1 to 2 minutes. All right, and I would do this regularly. Sorry, I will do it regularly. All right, so let's start. Uh, let's talk about today's routine. All right, so I woke up early in the morning. It was the time of 4 a.m. There was dark outside my home. I came out from my home to watching the scene outside of my home, and there was it was cold outside because of some raindrop uh, was coming. All right, and that's why I felt cold air touched my body, and that was good moment. And the purpose of me to woke up early in the morning was that I was preparing for my examination, upcoming examination of a pharmacy. And I started after waking up. I went to uh, bathroom, and I washed my face. After washing my face, I again sat back to my study, and I started my study. After doing after some time. All right, after some time, it was about approximately 30 to 40 minutes I had spent, and a bit of sleep was coming into my eyes. All right, I was felt like a sleepy person, and that was the time I went to bathroom, and I took a shower to got uh, got out from that situation. All right, and I again sat back to my study, and I started doing study. After doing study, I again fall asleep. I again fall asleep, but yeah, I did my study very well. If you think that my routine was same as today yesterday, so yeah, it was same, and nothing was changed in comparatively to the yesterday. And that's it. All right, so this is my short routine explanation, guys, and that's how I'm learning my English language. And I would speak more about the things like it is a general scenario of my daily routine, but I would shift this part of communication towards the real life examples, like when I would meet two people, what would happen, this kind of a thing. And like if I will travel somewhere, so I would explain that thing to you, this kind of a thing. So this is how gradually we increase our intensity, gradually we increase our perfection, and that's how I become a good communicator and well speaker of English. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you are watching, you can subscribe my channel, and if you don't do, it's okay. But if you want to learn English, and if you want to do anything in your life, so start from today. Don't feel about other, because even if I felt that thing in my past, so I could not be able to make video. But I believe in myself, I am believing in myself, and I will never break my trust. I will believe in myself forever. And thank you so much, guys, for watching me. I will come tomorrow again. Bye bye.